Hey, how y'all doing? Dexter doitall. And today, I'm riding, looking at the field, checking them out. Looking up, ooh, nice pretty babe, nice pretty babe. And look what I find. A pretty, I don't know what kind of horse it is, but it look like a good horse. So, man, hope it don't bite. Look at it. Yeah. He's running from me now. He's going the other way now. I guess he's running from me now, baby.
He's running.
Yep.
He gonna go right back over though.
Yeah. Cause he coming through the let me see if I can get it. Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come on! Come on! Come on! It's coming! It's a nice pretty horse, y'all. Watch this FaceTime.
You don't do count horses all day.
No. Come here. See that? Yeah. And then it fertilizing the beans now.
He eating them all?
Nah. I gotta go find a rope. I ain't got no rope on the back of my truck.
You say ain't no, but maybe they got money. Somebody could be there.
Nah, ain't nobody there. What's going on, buddy? Come on.
I'm not just walking.
Right here. What's going on, buddy? You lost? You lost, buddy? Out there eating the fertilizing the beans and stuff. Let me see if I can rope it right quick. I'll call you back. You heard me? Come on. Come on. That's pretty horse. You trying to come on. How y'all supposed to call a horse? I don't know how to call no horse. Well, like I'm trying to, I guess I'm gonna take him home, y'all. I'm gonna take him home. He going that way. Just passing by the cornfield, by the bean field. He came and talked to me for a little while. He was talking, but now he's running away. Yeah, nice looking corn. It's like we got 2 more weeks. There you go, stand in the middle of the road. Let me see if I can rope him. Hold on, baby. Well, like we chasing horses all day today. Let me see if I can stop. He might come to me if I stop. Yeah. How you supposed to call him? Huh? Yeah. Come here. Well, he walking on home. I ain't gonna have to rope him at all. I'm taking him on to the house. He came to me the first time, but he ain't coming back no more. He said, forget that. That's the female. Taking on to the house. I don't know which way she gonna go now. Well, she know her way home. She know what she doing. Uh-oh. Now she coming back to me. Come on. I called it like it's a dog or something. Come on. I got a little rope or something. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I don't know how to call no horse. Y'all know how to call a horse? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I don't know what they call her. Susie? Come on. I'm scared it might pounce on me. I'm standing on top of the truck. Come on. I don't know how to rope no cow, but I got a rope. Oh, well, I don't know how to rope it. I don't know how to rope it, y'all. Going back the other way. Man, I don't know. Scared of horses. I know you're supposed to give them no corn. But I know you're supposed to give horses no corn or nothing like that, but gotta have something to bring them in. Guess I gotta go get some hay. Hey, the la. Guess I gotta get his truss or something. Don't eat that corn. Don't eat that corn. Come on. Yeah, look at it. Ooh, nice, pretty thing right there. I might have to get me a horse. See if I can. She know the way home though. That joke out here sweating. I'm all on top of the truck. I'm on top of the truck trying to take her off. I ain't got a rope, but she going on to the highway. Like I said, I'm out here looking at fields today. Went got me a little something to eat on Subway. Chasing horses. Well, at least a horse. Taking on back to the highs. She must want me to ride her. I hope she don't hit one. Ooh, she gonna mess her ankle up. You know how they got the ridges in the road? I mean, in the grass. She on the grass. They know her way home though. Hope that joke don't flip over in them humps over there in that road. I mean that ditch. Keep running? Yeah. She almost at home now, she walking. Hold on, right? Let me call you right. Let me see if you know how to rope this horse. Well, guess you know it way home, like I said. What a day, what a day. You know where it's supposed to go. You're at home now, but you gotta get in the pen now though. I hope that horse don't go to that highway. Oh, go to that highway, you know. Oh my goodness. Man, I hope that horse don't go that highway. Don't go that highway. Don't go to your house right there. You know, he came through there somewhere. Is that the pen and it ain't even going in there? You know that pen hot. He trying to find. He know where to go, but he don't know how to get in there. Oh, I see where it come loose.
Trying to get in the cage.
Yeah.
So he sneak out and go back when he wants to.
I don't know. Let's see if I can open that pen up. Shit, I don't want to be trespassed.
People get always back at the house. They know what's going on now.
I know it, but I'm saying though, if it go to that highway, nah, I gotta put that thing up. See if I can get it pinned up. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. See if I can get this thing loose. Is this thing hot, you think? See if I can grab me a stick, see if it's hot, make sure it ain't hot.
It shouldn't be, but you know, you never know.
All right. She might go in there now. But they got that tied up pretty good.
Yeah.
You think you can walk across the road?
I don't know.
She might come across.
Come on. You want me to take my belt off and put it around there for a halter, huh? Yeah.
Oh, that's what she want? You know what you doing.
Oh, I'm done.
It ain't hot.
Come on. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. He ain't gonna go across that damn road.
Mm-hmm. Do I need to take it all the way off?
Yeah, do it in
See if I take this off. Uh-oh. I got you. That's one of them down.
Get on out there.
Well, I'm glad I had somebody that knew something about horse, because I so didn't. I wanted to get that close to it, and when he got over, I got kind of a little confidence, you know, like that, but that, I ain't know if it was gonna bite me, gonna jump on me, kick me. I don't know what it was gonna do. I don't know nothing about horses. That's a big dog for me. I don't trust him. I don't trust him. But after he came along, she said four of them was missing. But when we looked in the pen, we finally found 3 of them, and the other went in. So we got all 4 in the pen now. So guess I'll finish looking at these fields to see what I can find. I hope I don't find no more horses. I hope I don't find no more horses. Man, would you look at that? Picture perfect right there. That's picture perfect. Ooh, I don't know where the beans come from, but they come from somewhere else. I know who beans they is. I don't know where they come from, but I know who beans they is. God is good. God is good. Take a little break. Stayed up night and day and night, planting, spraying, hipping, dissing. And look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Only thing I hate the T-weeds on the side of the road. We need to just go ahead and do that burn all that down. Just burn it down. Let me get out. Let me see what it look like out there. I hope ain't no bear out there. I hope ain't no horse out there. I'm gonna see what these look like. The T-weeds on the outside right here. They looking in. Got a few on right there on that. You got I want to kill it. Too close to the road. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Nice clean middles. Or every farmer wants a nice clean middle. Look at them. How many pods y'all see on them? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And got more coming. You got more coming. Look good. I don't see no bugs so far. I don't see no bugs. But overall, some good looking beans. Good looking beans. I think what I said, these were the property or something like that. Group 4. I think that's what I said. Yeah, got the Duramax today, the Denali. That's all I ride in. I don't like to ride no car, but sometimes I have to. Look, I got my rope still in here, like I'm gonna rope the horse. I was scared. I was trying to rope the horse from the. I was trying to rope the horse from the on the back of the truck, inside the truck. Hey, I want a horse bad though, but I just don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know how they act. I don't know how they act. But yeah, back to what I was saying. It was a good looking thing. Bit of excitement for the day. That's a little bit of excitement. Oh yeah, the country living. Country living. That's what I'm talking about. Like they doing something down at the bridge down there. And they go to the other field right there. Like I said, it ain't a precision planter, but it's a good planter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Look like they all level all the way across. Man. God is good. Nice clean middles. Got a few sprigs sticking up on the end, but you know, I don't know why he don't spray the ends heavy like he do the middle of the field, but that will most of them be at. So I told him to start spraying the ditches. Then they won't be able to go into the field. But man, God is good. Look at that. Boy, look at that. I like that. Y'all better finish this field less than 5 seconds. How clean it is. How clean it is. That's country living now. That's what you call country living. Say it with me, country living. Country living. Boy, I like that. I'm so happy. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Man, I like it. That's awesome. That's awesome. I gotta go to Lake Providence, but we got corn up there. And Monticello, we got beans out there. We did a burn down on it before we planted, like I showed y'all. But I'm gonna go back out there and look at it again, see what it looking like. See what it looking like. But it look like the parrots out here digging a little ditch. They digging little ditches out here, I guess. So it look like they trying to clean up a little bit because we ain't got no ditches in East Carolina Parish. We ain't got no ditches. So I guess I'm finna pab out here and see what they finna do with that dirt. Cause I need that dirt. See what they gonna do with that dirt. Boy, we got our parents down here doing a little something on the day like this here. Boy, look at that, they finna make it go down in there. Boy, we gonna get some water to drain it. We gonna get some water draining now. I'm proud of them. I'm proud of them. Yeah, they should be. Ooh, that's a. Oh, he dig up some cable lines and stuff like that. Now that's what you call country living. We finally. Man, I couldn't wait for them to come dig these ditches. Boy, I'm so happy, I'm so glad, I'm so proud. They come to dig them ditches. So I wish they can go behind my house and dig some ditches back here also. But we'll find out in a minute. They got a long ways to go. They got a lot of ditches to dig. A lot of them.